Hello dear audience, welcome back on our YouTube channel Earthquakes Strokes. You are watching Earthquakes Strokes and we are informing you about an earthquake which occurred in Portugal Island region. Portugal in today 16 February 2022 an earthquake hits Portugal region in a Madeira island and its magnitude according to United States Geological Survey 5.3 and after that European Mediterranean Seismological Center its magnitude was 5.2 and after that German Research Center for Geosciences magnitude 4.8. Its exact magnitude will be shared after